Hello and welcome to another video. So using the seamless Ecamm for Zoom integration, you can now make your Zoom meetings, webinars, and virtual workshops stand out with Ecamm's powerful camera switcher and customizable scenes. So let me show you how easy it is to do this. So here we are in Ecamm Live with all your scenes and presentation material ready to go in a typical Ecamm workflow. I've got my main camera that you can see here. I'll switch over to my secondary camera, which is my ZV-1. Then we have potentially a screen share, which is Chrome in this case. Then I may want to present a presentation, which is in Keynote. So wouldn't it be great if you could get all this amazing professional production directly into Zoom? Well, no, you can, because with Ecamm for Zoom, we have Zoom already built in to the Ecamm application. You'll notice here on the right on the main window that there is a new button called Zoom, and you can access this as well from Window and Zoom in your main settings. So let's click on this Zoom button, and lo and behold, you now have a new Zoom window that's come up. And basically, all you need to do for this is to sign in directly into Zoom, which I already have. You can start a new meeting, you can join by a particular link, or if you click on this, you can see all the scheduled meetings that you've got ready in your Zoom account. So all I need to do is sign into Zoom, which I already have. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm actually going to start a new meeting. So let's click on New Meeting. It's going to take a few seconds to connect to the Zoom workspace. As you can see, I have not opened up Zoom in a separate application. And here you are. Everything that you are now seeing in your Ecamm production is being sent to Zoom. I will just switch through my scenes, and as you can see, all looks amazing, great quality. So I can go through my presentation now as if I was sharing that with my audience. You can see just by clicking through. Did you also notice, as I mentioned before, that you don't have to start Zoom separately? Ecamm for Zoom has everything built in. So as you can see, everything that I'm sending in my Ecamm production is being sent to Zoom. And this includes all your sound effects and everything that you would typically have in the sound panel here in your Ecamm production is being sent to Zoom. You can see that I'm using my Rodecaster Pro here as my microphone, and if I hover over to the Zoom settings, you can see that the audio is being sent from Ecamm directly into Zoom. I've left everything here at default. I didn't have to do anything. I just clicked and boom, you are straight into your Zoom meeting directly from Ecamm. So how much more professional and polished do your Zoom meetings now look? You've got this amazing, powerful run of show, scene and camera switcher using Ecamm that just adds a new level of professionalism to your Zoom meetings. Thank you, Ecamm, for adding Zoom into your amazing application. Thanks for watching, and if you do need any more help or support, head over to ecamm.com/community, where you'll find a host of resources ready to help you and answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Ecamm family.